Mala, 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 mala. Mala, mala Chami.
Let's add masidibanise.
What's that? A picture? A picture is umfanekiso. Say it with me, friends. Umfanekiso. Yay! Well done, Zitomizam. Now tell me,
What do you see in this mfanekiso? What do you see in this mfanekiso? What was that, Zitomizam? Yes, unyanisile. An elephant. Can you remember what an elephant is in isiXhosa?
ewe, ewe. You are correct. An elephant is indlovu. Say it with me, friends. Indlovu. Yay! I am so proud of you.
I wonder how many ndlovus there are in this mfanekiso. Can you tell me, friend? Yes, well done. There is one ndlovu in this mfanekiso. Can you remember what one is again? Good job, Zitomizam. One is inye in isiXhosa. Say it with me, friends. One is inye. Inye indlovu in this mfanekiso. I am so proud of you. Let's add, Zitomizam, masidibanise. If I take indlovu enye and add it, ndiyidibanise with indlovu enye, how many ndlovus do I have all together? That's correct, friends. That equals to zenza indlovu ezimbini. That equals to 2 elephants. Well done, Zitomizam. I am so proud of you. Wasn't that so much fun, friends? Yes. Ewe. Ewe. Yes, that was so much fun, friends.
So, uTeacher Sine took indlovu enye, wayidibanisa nendlovu enye, zenza indlovu ezimbini. So, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Indlovu enye dibanisa nendlovu enye zenza indlovu ezimbini. Enye dibanisa nenye zenza ezimbini. Yay! 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 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 Yay!
Ewe, singadlala.